If we had a system that forced us to look at the integrity of movement quality before we train, before we load, before we go on a specialized path, we would be better and we could do a better job. Now we got to ask the question, why people that we see in our practice move so differently? We've got to have a screening process that explains that. A simple test that starts a journey and investigation into movement. It's simply a filter that tells you you need greater assessment in this area. Movement screening should not be sports or activity specific, it should be species specific. What do we screen? We screen movement patterns. This is a movement-based learning platform of patterns. That is the operating system that all other movement comes from. I want you to understand that the human brain is rarely optimized and can always improve before the body changes. That means when you start going into a new movement pattern, you optimize your software before you allocate new hardware. Always. That's the way it works. Our industry is all about mentorships, but actually having something right there that can mentor the process for you on each individual you work with is absolutely vital to elite practice. The playbook is varied, but the structure of learning movement is always the same.